right, so we're making a woodwind instrument today. First thing you're going to do is get a soda straw, like this, and then flatten the end, like that. And then you're going to, with your parents' help, careful with scissors, cut the end off so that it's shaped like this.
It looks like a pencil. No, it's more like.
Okay. Now, then you're gonna put the flat end into your mouth and blow. If you want to make it play a higher note, trim the end off and.
I'm scared.
That's what I was going to ask you. Do you think if we used the school straws, it would be a higher note?
But you want to make holes in there?
You could make some little holes. I'm not sure how you'd make the little holes in it.
You would need like 40 feet. I don't know.
Save
I
one.
wish we could just all make one.
Save one tomorrow.
And then play it for your mom and dad. Okay, let's see what happens. Good idea.
So, Mr. Scruggs, are you just blowing?
I'm just blowing into it. Yep.
Yeah.